Hey, good morning, you guys. So today I'm filming a day in a homeschool mom life. I just woke up, was on my phone. I usually spend like half an hour on my phone to check my messages, things like that in the morning, and then I don't check it. I'm not gonna answer for a few hours after that. So it is 8 o'clock. I wake up late. I actually slept 10 hours last night because the past 3 nights we had parties, Christmas party at night, and then daytime for the kids. We had a birthday party, and then I had insomnia as well Friday night. So this morning we're Monday. This video is gonna come out Thursday, but I just had, because tomorrow I have to work day, so it's not gonna work. Let's go. Okay, every morning we come and check out the tower garden, and then what do we say, Camila, to the plant? Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for growing.
Mom, we got to the lettuce.
Wow, the lettuce is huge. Yeah, we're gonna make a green smoothie with our kale, and then I have collard greens I need to use. Yummy. So I always come and check my schedule. I did my schedule last night. So Monday I'm gonna film the day in the life of a homeschool mom. Gonna have breakfast, shower. I'm gonna make some green smoothie. School, I want to start around like by 10 o'clock. We're gonna do the handwriting, math, and then science. Today's science. It's a really big project that we're gonna build. Like a spaceship rocket. And then we're gonna read some books. I do want to edit my thumbnail for and post one of my other video. I want to go play outside, and then I work at 4 p.m. I need to take some stuff for work. I don't think I'm gonna have time to go work out today. And then these green thing is like I need to give him medicine for Pepper or Cat because he was sick. And then I have to do some paperwork for the apartment before Thursday. And then I like to come and read my positive words of affirmation. Let me take it out. To read it every day. So I am in control of my life. Today will be a great day. I focus on what I want. I can handle anything that comes my way. I have all the strength and confidence within me that I need to succeed. Everything in life happens for me. The most important thing is that I learned something. Nothing can stop me from achieving what I want. I am awesome. I am making today count. I love my little affirmations. Okay, you guys, let's chat together while I get ready in the bathroom. I always have people ask me, my face cream first. I always have people ask me, how can I homeschool and do everything? Well, I don't. So, cleaning, deep cleaning, it is happening on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, deep cleaning for me, it's my laundry, put everything away. And then it's gonna be mopping the floor, and then what else? And then the bathroom, cleaning the bathroom. Everything else. So those three things. It's only Friday, Saturday, Sunday that I do. And then for my laundry, the rest of the week, I do not do laundry. I have like one basket right now that is clean in the bedroom, and I won't do it until the next weekend because I know I don't have time, and I've just learned along the way that I cannot do it. So for detangling my hair, I use this. So this is what I do, and then weekday we're gonna, obviously the kids, they need to do their chores. I'm gonna vacuum, pick up everything that needs to be picked up around the house. And then that's it, doing like dishes and daily tasks. But this is how I do it. And then like I already mentioned, we do school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but we are behind in our schedule. I mean, like the curriculum, we started in August, but then my mom was here, so we stopped. She was visiting from Canada. She was here for 3 weeks. And then I focused on reading lots of books. And then we added the math. So the curriculum, the kindergarten, we do Blossom and Ruth. And then we added math from the Good and the Beautiful. And we just added the handwriting from the Good and the Beautiful. I really like that one because it teaches you how to write properly, because I realized my son was like not writing properly, like starting from the bottom to go up. So we added that one. And then all about reading, the pre-reader, we started that one as well. I'm really enjoying that one. And there's another one that I bought that we haven't started. And then, yeah, we focus on reading and then playing outside, free play, Legos. Right now he's doing so many Legos, my son. And my daughter that is 4, she can do whatever she wants with us if she wants to do it. No pressure. I put this for my curl. So this is us, and yeah, we're at week 8, I think, in the Blossom and Ruth curriculum. It's okay, we're in December. It's okay because we do so many other things. It's really important for me that the kids learn how to cook, life skill, clean, cook, and then be happy, less stressful life. So yeah, and then except that we are taking, I mean, we won't really take a long break for Christmas. A little bit, because I'm gonna be working a lot at the restaurant. And then as a working mom as well, on weekends I cook. So I do all my cooking pretty much on weekends. So this weekend I cooked some rice, I cooked some meatballs, and then I made some chicken, like, what was it, like drumstick, like Mexican style, if I would say, and then rice, and then that's it. So that's my meal prep. And then whenever we're more hungry, we have some stuff in the freezer I can take out. I'm gonna make some salad, and I know like 1 or 2 times I'm gonna eat at the restaurant myself. And then I don't want to do like too much food, because then it's not eaten. The kids, they don't eat that much. So that's pretty much it for meal prep. And then I do try to go work out like 3-4 times a week. I'm gonna see when I'm gonna be able to go work out this week, depending what I have for work and everything. Sometimes I go like just before work, and then I stay there for work. I change and I shower there, because we work out. It's in the club, the Appropriate Athletic Club. There's like a pool, the gym, shower. The kids, they play there while I work out, and then I work in the restaurant. The restaurant is separate. The restaurant is public, so I can just shower and then go to work. So it's pretty easy, and we live like 5 minutes from there, so that's pretty easy. So that's pretty much our like little talk on how I do everything, because I don't do everything. I just like have like system, and then I just have to let it go when it's not, like, if I don't have time to clean my bathroom one weekend, I'm sorry, but I won't clean it until the next weekend. Because every time I put that on my list, it never gets done. So I just come with terms to just let it go. So I would love to know if you guys have a like a schedule on like cleaning, and like how you handle everything with like homeschooling, if you are homeschooling, and like meal prep, things like that. How many days of school do you do weekly? So I would love to hear what kind of schedule you guys have. I used to do like 1 laundry a day, but I just felt like I was doing laundry all the time, and I hated that, so I stopped doing it. So this is what I do right now, and it's probably gonna change, and we'll see how it goes eventually. Okay, I also want to mention that this video is part of her collaboration. It is hosted by Melissa at the M World by Melissa. I'm just gonna put the link in the description box below for their YouTube channel, and then also for the playlist. So make sure to check out all the other creators that are all doing a day in the life of the homeschooler mom. Wow, Elijah did his Legos. He did it all, and then he took it apart to make some more. So he just spent about an hour doing Legos. So that's part of schoolwork. Hey, Camila is gonna make her breakfast. green smoothie, we went to pick our greens. So we picked collard greens and then kale. So this is part of our homeschool as well, to grow food and then eat healthy. So Camila, you can put it all here.
To be so healthy.
We're doing our chores, huh? Chores is part of school. Life skill, how to clean. So Elijah, you got dressed, you emptied the dishwasher, you put your clothes in the the dirty clothes, and then you made your bed. And then what else? You just took care of the pet, so you can put one here. Okay, you guys, it is 10:15. The kids did all their chores. Elijah emptied the dishwasher, so I refilled it. I cleaned the kitchen, and then I did find a load of laundry that I needed to fold before the week start. So I did that. The kids put their clothes away, and then I did need to wash sheet because I need that this week. And then I'm started to vacuuming while the kids started to do some schoolwork. So let me show you what they're doing. So Elijah got his book. It is the, can I see it? So it is the handwriting with the good and the beautiful. So he needs to do like 2 pages while Camila does the pre-doodle with the, as well, the good and the beautiful. I had time to do this. He did 3 pages of the handwriting, the level K, and then we're gonna go for our math. Just one lesson. We are at lesson number 27. We finished math K. We did 1 lesson. It took us 15 minutes. It is 10:54. So then now we're going to start with all about reading, the pre-reading. We're going to do that. And then science. Okay, do the alphabet. So I took these out to do the letter E. It's super nice, those things, the dot marker. I know I've showed it in one other video, but we don't use it often enough, and I thought it was a perfect fit to do our letters. Yay! And then Camila, perfect, love it. I'm gonna put the link of Amazon link below of this if you want to get it for your kids. Okay, so we finished all about reading, the pre-reading. The kids loved the activity with Ziggy, the zebra, and then also part of it, we have to go read some books, which we always do every day. So we're gonna read some books about science because then we're gonna start our science project. We're gonna read this one, Moon. Okay, we read 3 books, Shooting Stars, and then The Sun, and then Ruth, Earth's Best Friend. Okay, next thing that we're gonna do, it's science, last thing for today for school. So I'm at, this is for Blossom and Ruth. So I'm week 7. We're gonna read the letter from Mission Control and then build our spacecraft. Yay! That's gonna be really big. Okay, so we finished science. It is 1:24. So this was definitely a longer school day because usually I don't do school much after 12:30. So I knew it was going to be a long time to build the spacecraft. They're going to paint it tomorrow. I have to work tomorrow day, so they're going to be able to do that. So usually it's from like 10 to 2 that we do it. So we're going to have lunch. I'm going to cook some broccoli and then some edamame. I already have rice and then leftover. And then we're going to go outside for a little bit. And then it's going to be work time. And also make sure to like this video and to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Homeschool in Paradise. Enlève sa coche par contre. Okay, we came to the playground a little bit. That's where we live. So I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna read my book, and then that's it. I changed so I can be ready to go to work. So this was our this was our video, the day in the life of our homeschool mom, and then I showed you everything. I would love to know what is your schedule like, and then just a reminder that this is part of a collaboration. It is hosted by Melissa from the M World and Melissa. So I'm gonna put all the link in the description box below, and then also the playlist. So make sure to check it out, and then I'll see you next time. Mahalo!